what's going on everybody? I'm going to show you a real quick technique on how to mince something in your Vitamix. It's a really cool technique. We use it very often. No joke, I use our Vitamix probably 2 or 3 times a day, and not all the time is it for a complete recipe. So I'm going to show you guys here how to mince garlic, something that is, you know, sometimes messy, can create more extra dishes, but we're just going to use the 8-ounce container here with the A3500. This is one that you guys see in my demo that I do, and I definitely love this machine. Like I've said many times, I recommend this to my friends and family. If you want more videos like this, click on that thumbs up. We'll keep making them for you guys. If you want to be notified when we make another video, definitely subscribe. For tips, tricks, full recipes, all the fun stuff, okay? So, check this out. I have the 8-ounce cup with the adapter. So, I got my garlic peeled. If you put it in there with the peeled, you're just gonna get minced up peels as well. So, go ahead and dump that in. For this guy here, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna line up those little dots, or I'm sorry, the little triangles. So you'll see you have the triangle here on the base, and then you'll have the triangle on the clear top, and you essentially just line those up together and you're good to go, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and set that onto the base here. All right, so for mincing, just keep in mind, the faster it goes, the finer it gets, okay? Pretty simple as far as that goes. So if you're mincing or grinding, especially things like coffee, if you're going to use a French press, it's going to be more coarse grind than if you put it into make an espresso shot, right? So the faster it goes, the finer it gets. For this particular one, I'm just going to use speed number 5 here. And on the left side, you'll see a little pulse button there, and we're just going to actually tap that. So just give it a few taps. There we go, look at that. Beautiful. And there you go. Done. Perfect. Super easy, as you can see. One of my probably most used techniques that we do, because we use garlic for everything, you know. So we'll just go ahead and twist that off. If you haven't got any of these spatulas, these plastic ones, they are awesome. You can really maneuver these down around the blades, and unlike a silicone spatula, where it'll start to get kind of gnarled up, these don't. So you'll actually see me use these in my demos too. And I've probably had those same spatulas that I've used in my demo for 3 or 4 years at this point, and you'd never even know. So just get on in around those blades, and you'll see that it'll just kind of wipe right out. And you can just take this and just dump it right into your pan if you're doing like a sauce or a saute. If you're gonna save it for later, so like this we're gonna save for later because we're gonna be doing a little sauce this evening. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this, leave it in the 8-ounce container. Here we are. And then I'm just gonna use the storage lid that comes with those 8-ounce containers, okay? Perfect. There you go. And that baby's going in the fridge. Okay, well, good luck with everything. Cheers.